Drug addicts.
H-O-O-D-B-A-B-I-E-S. I'm the real hood, the real one. Bitches tatted on my neck, I laced it up.
So first we start off with moisturizing. I'm just going in with the black Radiance Luminous Dry Oil Moisturizer. And I'm just gonna put it on my face. After I put on the black Radiance Luminous Dry Oil, I go in with another moisturizer because I have dry skin. So I go in with the Clinique Dramatically Different Gel Moisturizer. This is the mini size to try because I wanted to try it out before I actually bought it. So next for primer, I go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And this is another mini size. I always like to try out products before I use them. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face. So next, I go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 420. So some days I really want to go for an extra highlighted look. So I'm about to go in with my L'Oreal concealer in the shade 415 Honey. I'm just going to add a little bit more brightness to my eyes. I'm going to go in with my favorite setting powder right now, and it's the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Medium. You get it at the drugstore. It's really cute. It's really good, and it has no flashback. That's what I really love about it. So I'm just gonna go in with a little eyeshadow brush, but I use the powder in my face. So I just go in with a little bit because I think the reason why some people be having flashback, is because they use too much powder. So I'm going in with the smallest amount, and I'm finna So next, I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and just pat it in, because I don't bake, I just pat it into my skin. So that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, so now here's to my favorite part, contouring. I just go in with the Ruby Kisses Contour Artist Cream first. And I'm just gonna contour cheekbones, my forehead, keeping that thing big, and my jawline to give me some structure. To set that cream contour, I go in with the Black Radiance Contour True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. And I just go in with that contour shade and add more definition to my cheekbone. So as you can see, I am very contour. I love contour, even as much as I love bronzer. So now we're about to go in with the Morphe Brontour Bronzer Contour little palette thing. And I got it in the color Vlogger. And we're just finna warm up our face even more because I love making myself look all brown and glowy. So as you can see, I'm very contour, bronze up right now. And next we're about to just set our face. Ooh. And we're just gonna let this dry. Oh, I went in with the Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I just set my face with that. So after your face has dried from the setting spray, you go in with highlighter, and I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade Amrezy. It's really cute. It's like a subtle natural glow, so that's what I really love about it. And I just use a small eyeshadow brush. And also as another highlighter for my nose, I go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick highlighter in the shade Rum. And I just put that on the tip of my nose. Some people don't like to do this because they don't like, it makes like a little reindeer, and I really love that. I think it's really cute on me. So I just put that at the tip of my nose. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, because I know some people really don't like this. With my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara, volume mascara, and it's applied to my bottom lashes. So basically this is a final look. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Check out my last video. And thank you guys for watching.